Because we are young, we are watching Arsenal, including our minister Mvubuka, ali ku Arsenal. Ne batamanya nti obugaga buva wano, nti emirimu giva wano, you are going to be lost. So don't spend so much time on just biology. Yes, biology is good, but please, ideology is the decisive. Because when we were fighting, we were young, but we were fighting young people on the other side. There were young people on the other side, we were young people on the side. So historically speaking, you had to see which side was right. For instance, Kabaka Yeka, which was promoting Bugandaism. Even now, you get in Nkobazambogo, they are not old people. They are young people. But there are people who are saying Buganda is more important than Uganda. And me, I say Uganda is more important than Ankole, than Buganda, than Lango. It is more useful to me. So, if you are young, but disoriented, how would it help you? So young, but oriented. You should add another word. You don't just say young. Mistake makers are young people. And also old people. You get people who make mistakes when they are young. So that's my advice to you. It's good you have raised it. I have talked about it before. Not just biology, but biology and ideology. Okay? Now, PPS, the son of Tamale Mirundi.
Thank you so much.